Like, okay, so I don't know if I'm centered yet, but I'm not gonna be squatting for long, so we'll have to do this introduction right now. So, hey YouTube, and welcome back to It's Amazing. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time seeing my beautiful chocolate face, you already know what you need to do. Like, if you see the red button, make it great and subscribe to my channel. Keep up with your girl. Like, I do fashion hauls, I do natural hair content like this. I will have links in the description box below because I know I look good, girl. And a plethora of other things. I hope I pronounced that right. And while you're at it, follow me on my social media accounts to be listed up above and in the description box. Linked chats for you. All you gotta do is just go down there and click the link. Follow me on Instagram and then like on my pictures. So by the title, you guys already know what's to go down. I'm about to get another fashion haul. This video we're going to be doing none other than Boohoo, and we're going to be reviewing the City Girl collection. So I'm excited and I know y'all ready to see these clothes. So let's just get right into this video. Okay, so now that I can stand up, girl, whew, needs to go to the gym. Anyways, so if you guys did not know, Boohoo collabed with City Girls to make a haul. And the pieces were beautiful, amazing, so colorful, so summerful. But I just have one complaint. Boohoo, I'm gonna need y'all to do better with the plus size collection, boo, because y'all really slept on this. I'm gonna see just how many items y'all had, and then I'm gonna tell you how many sizes they had in the plus size section thing. So according to my trap phone, and yes, I was mad enough to put this in my notes because I was upset. Like, I woke up real early just to make this haul, and out of the 53 pieces dropped that I saw when I went on the site, 3 of them were for plus size. Boo, you got you got a bone to pick, baby. You got some hostility or something, because this is usually where I go and I splurge, because they usually like do the plus size section well. So with this, I just feel like it was just really like, you're not included, you're not a City Girl type vibe. And I know the City Girls, I know Carisha will not approve, first of all, or JT either. So I don't know if y'all need to go back to the map. No, don't go back to the map, because what's done is done. I mean, next time, I'm gonna need to see some more clothes, okay? Because 53 out of 3, not gonna cut it. So I'm gonna show you guys the collection first, and then I'm gonna go into the other items that I bought just to buy them, because they do be having cute stuff. So let's just get right into this haul. Okay, so I don't know if that's how you're gonna do my arm, so I'm gonna keep them like this. This was not from the City Girl collection, but this was, so I'll start on these. These are just some boxer shorts. Like, they were so cute. So I had to give them. So, well, it was one of the only things I could get, but besides the point, anyway, I'm gonna stop being petty. Shorts, I got them in size 16. So yeah, these are how they look. They're so cute. I got them because they was cute. And on the side they say cute with the attitude. That's me. And so like I had to get them, and they fit nice. I like how, like, I really like them. And the material, baby, come on. Do you hear that? That's quality material. I obviously might need to get some thinner ones, because it get hot in Mississippi. You know, above my kneecaps, I can show a little bit of a little leg for the summer. And yeah, so these are the shorts. They're so cute, plain, simple. I like them. And now we're going to the top. This is a size, oh no, the shorts were a size 14, sorry. The top is a size 16. Now I should have got a 14 in the top too, because I know it looks fine, like it looks cute. And excuse my bra, like I'm not gonna take it off. I love this top. It's like the perfect little summer top. It's so cute, but I wish I would have got it a size smaller, because like the material is like loose, okay, like it's stretchy, and so like I feel like a 14 would really just pull everything together better. But it's cute. It's a little crop top, so it's cute. I like it. Got a little keychain neck. Okay, so same top but different bottoms. And these, like, again, just like the other ones, some boxer shorts. These are in navy blue. I got these in an extra large, and like, now that I'm thinking, the reason why I ain't got that many clothes too, because I don't believe they had any extra larges. I think they stopped it at a lot. Like, boo, whoever over that need to be sat down and talked to. These are just some more boxer shorts. These are like a little bit longer. These are cool. They're cute. I like them. I like the black ones better, because like, I just don't know, I feel like they just look better on me. But these are official right here, just some boxer shorts. And again, like, they're good material, good quality. Honestly, wish they were a little bit thinner, to be honest. So yeah, on to the next one. Okay, so here are the next 2 items. These 2 are both from the City Girl collection, and it has this on there. This says cute with attitude, and on the pants it says not sorry, but you're just not on my level. But we're gonna start with the top. This is actually like kind of thicker, to be honest. I thought it was gonna be like thin, and I got it in an extra large. No, I got this in a 14, and I could have got a 12. Fitting me, like, it's just so big. But yeah, I can't wear this in the summer anyway, so. Okay, now on to the sweatpants. Now the sweatpants are an extra large. They are oversized, which I didn't think about that when I ordered them, because I would have ordered a large and an extra large, because these are they're just so big. Cute though, I still like them. I like the color, but once again, not for Mississippi summer. Like, no, I can't. I thought it was gonna be cute in these, but these are like sweatpants. Can't tell if I'm short, but it does scrunch at the bottom. Can you see that? Don't look at my feet though, but look at the bottom of the pants. This is the last item out of the City Girl collection, and these are these ruche type leggings. I did get these in a size 12. I'm tired, I'm sorry. It took a long time to put these on, because these are those ruche pants, and baby, I had to put them on like stockings, because boo, it was too much for my toes. Anyway, I feel like this is my least favorite out of everything, just because of how they fit me. Like, I don't have the longest torso. It's supposed to be low rise, baby. These is high waisted. Over the belly button. And it's supposed to like give that like illusion effect up here, but it's not really giving that for me, because again, torso short. So yeah, and like I don't know, like I don't know, they're just not as flattering as I thought they were gonna be. Maybe I should have gotten them smaller. I don't know. It was supposed to do like the butt lifting thing for you in the back, like didn't do what it was supposed to do. It's not giving what it's supposed to give, boohoo. Like, yeah, that's all for the City Girl stuff. And now I'm about to go into the rest of my clothes. And these are just jeans I got. They're so cute though, like, come on. Okay, I lied. These are not jeans. These are leggings that I got. And they're size 14, and I'm so confused. Like, clothes a little bit big. Baby, am I getting skinny? Is that what I mean? I'm saying that's what it means. So anyways, these are some after wash like leggings, and they're supposed to be bailed at the bottom, but they're just really unflattering on me. Pull it all the way up to underneath my bra, but I mean, it looks better like that, but I probably should have gotten a size down. Usually I get this size when I get their leggings and stuff, but I don't know. I should have gotten the right size. Let's go to the jeans. Here, the first pair of jeans we have, they are these high-waisted, like split. They're called high-waisted split hem jeans. I don't know, something like that. But okay, so as you can see, like they're distressed and everything, so I love them. And I needed more jeans. I'm gonna come back so y'all can see everything. And I needed more jeans. So that's why I really got these. Look cute, I like them. I just wish, I don't know. I just wish my torso was longer. Cause like these are supposed to be high waisted, but they're like up here. I wish I wasn't so short, but they open. Oh, this is the split hem thing they were talking about, I guess. Like it's split at the side. So cute with like some taller shoes to like elongate me or whatever. They're size 16. Got the little distress detailing, and I like them. They're so cute. Booty, non-existent. That's okay though. That's all right. Got it. Okay, so the next pair of pants we have, these are like just acid wash jeans. They're not distressed or anything. They do have the little detailing that the black pants. Ooh, baby, watch out now. It has like a split hem like the black pants had. These, I don't know if they're supposed to be high-waisted. Like I said, small torso. And these are 16, but these have like a little bit more room at the band, which, I mean, I'm not mad at. The jeans look, I like them. Again, booty non-existent, but that's okay. Okay, so I saved these for last because these are my favorite. So these are just straight leg pants. They just straight leg, no extra like special stuff at the bottom. Like they're not split, they just go straight down. But I like them. I feel like they're like mom jeans a little bit. I like how they fit me. They're like, you know, the pockets are nice. Again, short torso, so it's hitting me all the way up here. None of my jeans said high-waisted except for the black ones. So why do I have all high-waisted pants? These are cute. I like them so much. I can't wait to wear them. Ooh, what's different about these is the button. So I didn't come unbuttoned, but I'll unbutton them, whatever. Like the, I don't know how to explain it, but like the thing is like, I don't know. It's like longer than a regular one. So I thought that was cute. I don't know. These actually don't do as bad, but okay, so I'm gonna do a little squat so I can close up the video. But that is the end of my video. That's the end of my haul. Tell me guys your thoughts. Like, what was your favorite piece? What do y'all think about Boohoo? What do y'all think about the City Girl collection? Like, let me know in the comment section below. Don't be shy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and follow my social media accounts, which will be listed up above in the description box below. And if your red button is still gray, if your button is still red, baby, make it gray and subscribe to my channel, okay? I need some more money so I can buy some shorts for Mississippi, because I did not think about that, okay? So please. So those are my final thoughts and everything I bought. Like, I'm pleased with it. I'm mad because of the size and I feel like they tried to play with us. But you know what? I'm just not gonna order them for a minute and then I'll come back when I'm ready, okay, Boohoo? But I would like an apology, okay? Then I'll come back. But baby, I just need some time away from y'all for a minute. I can't speak with, I can't even look at y'all right now. Unless you know you wanna partner with a chocolate drop, get some clothes out here. Like I got some designs in my head and a dome, baby. Cause I be thinking about what I be wanting from clothes, and I feel like we could just partner on that. But nevertheless, I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching this video, and if you made it this far, comment orange puff. So yeah, I'm gonna see who the real ones is in the comment section, baby. So I will see you guys in the next one. And also, if you like this hairstyle, don't forget I will have a link below just for you to watch like sis. We're gonna be baddies all summer, and I got you for the hairstyles. And yeah, bye.